Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to create a 3D model of this exercise 9. Okay, so first of all we will create this sketch and then we will extrude it to 10. Next thing is we will create this profile, teeth like profile, then we will extrude it. Next we will use polar pattern and then our drawing will be completed. So first create a circle of dia 50. Next create a circle of dia 78. Press enter. Then finish sketch. Use extrude tool. Select the close profile and extrude it to 10. Okay. And next thing is we have to create this teeth. So select the sketch toolbar and then select this plane surface as a plane. Next thing is draw a straight line, okay, which is 10 mm from each other. Distance between these two straight line is 10 and it is equidistance from the center line. So this one and specify the value 5. So these two lines are equidistant from this central axis. Okay, now next thing is we have to specify the outer periphery, which is of dia 90. So select circle and create a circle of dia 90. Okay, next thing is use trim tool. Trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, and trim this one. Next thing is click on finish sketch. So you have your profile, this profile. Next thing is select extrude and then is extrude it to 10. Operation join. Now you have your teeth here and we have to use pattern, circular pattern. Next thing is feature. So this is extruded feature. Select feature from here, then select this extrude. Next click on this axis, select the axis you want to create a pattern. So we have selected this and now specify the number of quantity 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 16 is already specified, so click on this OK. So this way you can create this profile. Okay, thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.